All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to look at Luna Classic. So, a couple of things to point out here. First, we're going to start off on the 3-day chart here. And I just want you guys to notice that you can see we're in this area where the stock RSI is starting to curl up from the bottom. The last time we were here and we started to curl up, the price for Luna Classic stayed completely flat here, as you can see. And then once we got up to the top and we started to come back down, the price just kind of fell here. But, I was just pointing out that we may be in a similar situation here. The price is going flat and the stock RSI is starting to curl up here. So if the stock RSI gets all the way back up here to the top and we stay flat here, there is a good chance that when it rolls over back to the downside that we fall off the table again. It's just all going to depend on what goes on with the price here. The last time though, the stock RSI was at the top and it went down. We did actually have the prices going down here, and we did actually have we had a higher or a lower high or a lower low here rather. So let me just go ahead and draw this so you guys can get a visual. So we had from that low here down to these lows here. You can see it going down. And then if we take and we draw on the stock RSI, you can see that the RSI double topped here and stayed flat. So that is bearish divergence on the 3-day chart here. So that is why this played out here. We had bearish divergence on this price action here. So the price dropped from this stock RSI going down. So we'll see if that is the case with the more recent price action when this thing starts to curl back up. But with that said, that little bit of bearishness there, if we switch down to the daily chart here, we got a little bit of hopium. Just due to the fact that we're holding the macro low, we're actually holding the low from last summer, from June to August. So as long as we hold this area from 8.4 down to about 7.5, we are still alive. We're still good. As long as we hold our box here that we drew a couple of updates ago. So as long as you stay above 7.5 on Luna Classic, you're still good to hold the low and to push up at some point. So with that said, if you can see here on the chart, we'll first start off with the stock RSI here. You can see the price is going flat and the stock RSI is going up. So that is bullish divergence on the stock RSI here for the daily chart. So that could be an indication that the bottom is in here and we're holding strong and we're about to bounce and move out of here. So let's get rid of the stock RSI here. Let's bring up the MACD now. And we also have bullish divergence on the MACD. We have bullish divergence. You can see the MACD is going up and the price is going down here. And then most recently in this last month of May, the price is flat, MACD is going up. So we have bullish divergence on the bigger scale here, and then we have bullish divergence for the month here. So it looks good. It looks like the bottom may actually be in for Luna Classic and we're about to get a bounce to the upside. So with all that said, as long as you hold the box here, as long as we stay above 7.5, I would say that it has a high possibility of playing out. The moment you lose 7.5, we're going to drop back down here to where we were, I think. Let me see here. Let me switch to the 3-day chart. This is the low of mid-June of 2022, and where we are now is from July to August. I think I said June earlier. So if we lose the 7.5 area, look for 5.8 to get hit, and we will measure that really quick here. So if we do drop down to 7.5 and we lose this box, we're looking at a total of about a 30 to a 31% drop on Luna Classic. But like I said, here on the daily chart, it looks like the bottom's in. We have a bunch of bullish divergence on the stock RSI, the MACD. So what I would watch for is this box to hold, and if we have a bounce soon, you can clearly see on the chart here, your first stop is going to be the 21-day EMA that acts as resistance here. So if we get a nice bounce from this 8.4 level, you're looking to stop at about a 6% move up to this 21-day EMA. It is currently at 8.9, and then of course your 1.414 at this 9.5 level for about a 12 to a 13% move. So those are going to be your first two price targets to watch. And one other thing before I end here, you can see how we're in this massive downtrend here. But when these moving averages, the 200, the 100, the 50, and the 21 get these huge gaps between them when you're in a massive downtrend like this, that tends to, from what I've noticed, signal that you're coming to an end of your downtrend, and these things start to curl back up, start to go back up, and start to cross over each other at some point. So it may be getting to the end of Luna Classic's downtrend here. So just take all of that information, take note of all that, and we'll see you in the next one for Luna Classic. So with all that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.